Okay, let's see. So what was that issue? How we have to resolve it? Okay. So the issue is from a repo file is not valid argument. Then why it was giving? Then not pass disable repo directly to the config change command to add and stop repo while broken. This one use the two steps. The correct flag for is add repo. So add repo like this or disable the broken repo permanently. Ah, okay, so this one, let us move this one, which is always getting issue. Okay, so we have moved it. Now let's see whether the same command will work or it has some issue. Yeah, I think the command has the issue. We have disabled it, and let's use this one. Yeah, so that is done. So let's get back to here. And this one. Yeah, now it's working, I think. Yeah. Yeah, so our this one is done, and let's move to other one. Now install Ansible. Way to get the latest Ansible is through EPEL repository. Okay, so let's do it. EPL release. Copy and put it in some notepad. That is also done. Success. Yeah, this is also doing something. No match for argument. This extra package will last multiple this. I'll find a match and see. Yeah, let's put this here on the search. What our thing will say. Let's see in RHL 10 in all the ANS package has been deprecated and is no longer available in the official. To install it, you must now install the Ansible core package, which contains the essential automation. Okay, Ansible core. Let's go back to that. Go on. Yes, it is working. Ansible core. Yeah. Okay. Or only includes basic modules. You may need to install the community collections that were previously bundled in the old Ansible package. You can do this using Ansible Galaxy command. Uh, still sees no, we are not seeing this. Confirm the installation by checking the Ansible version. Let's see. Ansible version. Yeah, voila, it is there. Okay, Ansible core. We have to install the general community collection. Let's do it. Why we'll do this? Let's do it now. If we lose anything, then it will be a. Is it giving something? Wow. So that is also done. So why we have additional? Because there's a we already gone through this. Okay. Okay, let's get back here. So here we need to configure Ansible-core. Yeah. Now enable VirtualBox communication. As discussed for Terraform, to talk to VirtualBox, the box must be running. Phase 3. Start the service run in a separate terminal. Keep it open. Okay. I don't see where we need to do this. Let's keep it open. Okay. So okay. So we'll keep another duplicate session. Command not found. So I'm not sure whether we have to do it. I'm running it in on the command prompt. It's not recognized. Let's check. Okay, you must run this command on your host machine, the physical computer, and not inside the virtual machine. Okay, where to run this command? VirtualBox. Yes. Okay, let's see here. New terminal. What is the terminal? Must stay active in the background for Terraform to communicate with the VirtualBox API. Ensure the service only listen for requests coming from the same machine. The default port is this. So, okay, let's tweet no such files. Okay, then we'll go for the command prompt, and next we'll see this one. And we will go to. Okay, we are here. Dir. Okay. What is there? And I think that is still running, right? So still we are getting recorded. That's good. And now we will run this. Yeah. I don't know whether it should be running for all the time. Yeah. No. Okay, it is running now. And what next? Okay, we have done that. And deploy to managed host. Now we use Terraform to create the VirtualBox VMs and Ansible to configure them. Terraform provision the VM. Create a file named main.tf. Note that we are using a Terraform VirtualBox. Uh, Terraform, here we have installed, right? To the VirtualBox WebSRV. Uh, VirtualBox. Since we are going to use Linux machine, uh, use Linux host, Linux host, where we have installed Terraform. So, do we still use the Those box web SRV in the host machine, Windows host machine. We have configured. Since all the hosts can communicate, hosts can host hosted on virtual box can communicate with each other. First, Linux host will be our primary Terraform and Ansible server. Do we still need to run from desktop to enterprise hypervisor in production? Is it still running? Yes. In production, companies don't use virtual boxes. They use type 1 bare metal hypervisors like VM, vSphere, Microsoft Hyper-V, or KVM. The VBox web equivalent. These systems are built in high API like vSphere API or this that are always running as a system service. You don't have to manually start a command like in the terminal. The infrastructure API ready by default. Oh, okay. Okay, so can we implement the same on our local desktop instead of using production like virtualization setup directly on your local desktop? This is preferred way for professional to build home labs that mirror real. Yeah, depending on your current OS, you have two primary paths to replace the Linux path. KVM plus LIB, highly recommended. If you can use Linux as your main OS or a dedicated spare PC, you can use KVM. This is type 1 hypervisor that turns your Linux kernel into bare metal server. This is exactly how massive clouds like AWS or OpenStack operates. API bridge instead of this. Linux uses background service called lib virtual D integration. You use lib provider. It connects locally via a Unix socket. So you don't need to manually start any web services or manage IP addresses for the API. To set up this on REHL Fedora Ubuntu, sudo this virtual the Windows path native Hyper-V. If you must stay on Windows, you can enable built-in Hyper-V feature available on Windows Pro Enterprise version where it talks directly to the Windows and PowerShell Manager layer. It runs directly on the hardware under Windows, offering better performance than VirtualBox. Okay. Their bare metal path is Proxmox. If you have an old PC or laptop, you can wipe it and install Proxmox V. But it is a dedicated OS based on Debian that is built only to be a hypervisor. Okay. Web browser interface like this. Terraform Proxmox has excellent Terraform provider and is a gold standard for home labs in 2026. Hyper-V ये कैसे बना Hyper-V? To implement Hyper-V and install Linux on it, follow these steps. Enable Hyper-V on Windows. Hyper-V is available on Windows Pro, Enterprise, and if you have Windows Home, you must use a workaround script or upgrade to Pro. हाँ लेखी नहीं पढ़ना भी तो आना चाहिए हाँ चाहिए कह नहीं तू लेखी दे चल लेखी दे माने फोर रो स्पेलिंग लेखी दे तू केते बड़ू ये करू जानछु कि नहीं हाँ ଧର 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 ଓଡ ରଖିଦେ ଏ ମଝିରେ ରଖି ତଳଟା ହଁ ଏଠାରେ ଭିତରେ କର